My car tire is flat when I want to check out, and the staff helped me to find the nearest car mechanic. Really helpful. Their amenities are good and the food is tasty. Awesome place to unwind. Their fitness and pool amenities are top-notch. Full disclosure, I have spent months at this hotel. The view is phenomenal, the pool and gym are great. Decent buffet for $5. Value for dollar is outstanding. 2 markets on site. The staff at this hotel are simply the best. I read another review that said the TV didn't work. They have YouTube and access to digital, Netflix and more. First choice always. Everything good, nice location, good rooms and view from the room all good. I'd pay for the views alone. View from the room was amazing. Staff are very helpful. The hotel manager is accommodating and approachable. Absolutely 10/10. It's a luxury hotel for a budget price. If in Phnom Penh, then highly recommend this place. Everything was perfect. Big and clean room, super comfy beds. We stayed on the 37th floor with fantastic views of the city. Wi-Fi was good as well. Location is perfect, it's in Chinatown. Affordable food and supermarkets all around. Good. Everything. Perfect view. Everything. Staff on reception very friendly and helpful. Great space and facilities. Staff are friendly and the pool is very clean and wide. The rooms are clean and comfy plus a good kitchen facility. We love the comfort in the room, the lighting is perfect, Wi-Fi is great and it is very clean too.